Have you ever wondered how to harvest massive energy from the sky without building giant towers? The secret lies in the power of the figure 8. We send a kite high into the clouds where the wind is relentless. By flying in a precise figure 8 pattern, the kite multiplies the wind's force, creating an incredible amount of tension on the cable. This is where the magic happens. This pulling force spins our mechanical winch on the ground at high speeds. I designed this power transmission system to convert every bit of that tension into high torque. That mechanical rotation is then transformed into pure electricity. We are literally bringing energy down from the clouds to our homes. Clean, cheap, and infinite power. Airborne wind turbines are the future of energy. If you want to see the build process and the next tests of this invention, hit that subscribe button and join the journey. What do you think is the biggest challenge for airborne wind turbines? Most people focus on material durability against sun, wind, and snow. But there's a bigger technical hurdle: the energy cost of the retraction phase. Normally, you have to spend energy to pull the kite back down to start the next cycle. That's a loss. But here's the breakthrough. I've developed a creative solution that reduces the energy needed for retraction to zero. Stay tuned for my next videos where I reveal how this mechanism works. Any guesses on how I achieved this? Let me know in the comments.